Welcome to Pratum 3 Basic English class. Now, before we start our lesson, I want you to prepare your Superminds Students Book. Also, we need your English dictionary, your schoolwork or your S notebook, and your pencil. Now, are you ready? Let's start. Our lesson for today is all about past simple tense. Now, before we understand this past simple tense, we need to take a look and review what is a verb. Now, verbs are action words. These are the actions that we usually do every day. For example, walk, play, land, get, wake up, feel, and eat. Past simple tense is a verb tense form that indicates that an action is complete, meaning the action is already finished. It is used for actions in a time which has already happened. Now, to make the simple past form of regular verbs, we usually add ed to make the past simple form of the verb. For example, walk plus ed is walked. Play plus ed is played. Now, if the verb ends in letter E, we will just add letter D to make the past simple form of the verb. For example, we have the word smile. Smile ends in letter E, so we will just add D. Smile plus D equals smiled. Very good. Now, let's have more examples of regular verbs. Smiled, clapped, asked, handed, kicked, learned, folded, and decided. Remember, we add ed or d to the regular verbs to make the simple past form. Now, we also have these irregular verbs. For these irregular verbs, we change the spelling of some irregular verbs to make the past simple form of the verb. For example, we have the word wake up. Wake up will be woke up. That's good. Now let's have the word feel. Feel will be felt. And then we have eat. Eat will be ate. Now for this irregular verbs, we need to memorize. Okay? Again, we need to memorize the past form of these irregular verbs. Now let's have more examples. Say will be said. Make will be made. Go will be went. Come will be came. Give will be gave. Know will be knew. Feel will be felt. And write will be wrote. That's good. Remember, for irregular verbs, we need to change and memorize the spelling. Now, it's activity time. Once again, we need your schoolwork notebook. Okay, kids, did you get the answers correctly? Don't worry, you just need to take a picture of your answer and send it to us so that we can check if it is correct. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today. See you next time. Bye!